This problem right here requires a similar technique that we've seen for the 2005-2006 B problem. And when you have multiple fractions, like a fraction inside of a fraction, a technique I can use is I can try to multiply by the denominator of one of the fractions so that the radicals will cancel out and I'm eliminating fractions in the process. So I'm going to multiply everything by this lowest fraction right here, the 1 minus square root of 5. So if I multiply everything by 1 minus square root of 5, the numerator and denominator, what I get for the numerator is going to be 5 minus 5 square root of 5. And then we multiply the denominator by that. The 1 right here times 1 minus square root of 5 will give you 1 minus square root of 5. And then minus, when I multiply this part, the 1 over 1 minus square root of 5 by 1 minus square root of 5, when I do that, it's going to cancel and left with just a 1. So I have, for the denominator now, 1 minus square root of 5 minus 1. Okay? So 1 minus 1 is 0, so I'm left with just a negative square root of 5, which I see over here. And then finally, I can simplify this by multiplying the top and the bottom by a square root of 5. I can rationalize this. When I do that, I'm going to get a 5 square root of 5 minus 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 5, which will simplify, and I'm left with now 5 times 5, which is going to be 25, and then divide everything by 5, and I'm going to end up with this right here. So if you didn't follow all that, you can work through the steps by yourself, but I trust that you can rationalize on your own. And so I can write this as 5, usually put the constant term first, 5 minus square root of 5, and that is my final answer.